Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Shopping in Las Vegas has grown into an attraction of its own, just as central to the city as casinos, shows, and nightlife. The Strip layers together luxury boutiques, themed retail streets, massive malls, and architectural showcases that turn ordinary shopping into an experience. The variety is one of the most notable things. Classic souvenir stores sit alongside flagship designer boutiques, and every major shopping district has its own identity, shaped by how the space was built and what it wants visitors to feel. One of the most striking examples is the Shops at Crystals, located in the CityCenter complex. This is a retail environment built around architecture rather than simply fitted into it. Designed by Daniel Libeskind, the building uses dramatic angled surfaces, metallic textures, and geometric forms that break away from traditional mall design. Walking inside Crystals feels like stepping into a sculptural installation. Light enters through carefully placed glass cuts. Polished floors reflect those asymmetric surfaces, and every store feels like it's displaying inside a contemporary art gallery. Even without stepping foot into the boutiques, the space invites people to look around, observe the shapes, and appreciate the interplay between steel, glass, and open volume. Another iconic architectural destination is the Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace. This center blends Roman-inspired design with immersive environments. Its curved corridors, fountains, statues, and painted skies turn the mall into a theatrical space based on old-world grandeur. The interior doesn't hide the theme, it celebrates it, using architecture to guide visitors through fountains, archways, and interconnected plazas. Many guests visit simply to see the building rather than to shop, which says a lot about the design's impact. Similarly, the Grand Canal Shops at the Venetian incorporates indoor bridges, Venetian facades, balconies, and the famous canal running through the middle of the mall. Its architecture recreates the atmosphere of Venice while adapting it to the flow of the modern shopping district. Even the storefronts are framed inside these recreations of Italian palazzos, turning everyday retail into a themed environment rooted in old-world charm. Moving away from themed architecture, Las Vegas also offers large, modern retail centers like Fashion Show Las Vegas, known for its vast interiors, wide thoroughfares, and the exterior cloud canopy that serves as a landmark above the Strip. Inside, the design focuses on scale, long lines of stores, large atriums, and open spaces that can host events, runway shows, and seasonal displays. The architecture here is built around flexibility, visibility, and movement, creating a space that adapts as trends change. Beyond the major malls, shopping in Las Vegas extends into resorts and pedestrian districts. Properties like Bellagio, Wynn, and the Cosmopolitan integrate smaller luxury galleries, curated collections, and high-end designer boutiques into their floors. Each one reflects the personality of the resort. Wynn spaces lean into refined modern luxury with polished surfaces and symmetrical layouts, while the Cosmopolitan embraces contemporary styling with sharp lines and understated elegance. Even when the shopping areas are smaller, their architectural choices reinforce the resort's identity. And then there's the contrast. Open-air shopping districts like the Link, Promenade, or the Grand Bazaar shops in front of Horseshoe. These focus on atmosphere, string lights, storefront variety, outdoor bars, and street-styled layouts. Their design invites wandering and spontaneous discovery rather than grand architectural statements. They highlight how Las Vegas blends indoor and outdoor retail to match different moods and preferences. Taken together, the city's shopping scene shows how architecture shapes the experience as much as stores themselves. From Crystal's futuristic geometry to Caesar's Roman landscapes to Venetian canals and modern megamalls, Las Vegas turns retail into a visual and structural performance. Each center makes a statement, and each one adds a distinctive chapter to the strip's evolving story of design, spectacle, and reinvention.
That's very good.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.